Welcome to our DIY series, serviced by Vasavi Infra Solutions. If you are a homeowner looking to refresh your space, today we'll guide you through the various types of paints available in India, how to choose the right one, and what to consider regarding pricing. Let's start with emulsion paints. These water-based options are perfect for interior walls. Interior emulsion paints offer smooth finishes and are washable, while exterior emulsion paints are designed to withstand weather conditions. Expect to pay around 250 rupee to 600 rupee per litre for good quality emulsion paints from brands like Emulsion Paints and Burger, available at Vasavi Infra Solutions. Next, we have oil-based paints, particularly enamel paints. They're glossy and durable, making them ideal for metal and wooden surfaces. These can range from 200 rupee to 2000 rupee per litre. Synthetic enamel is a popular choice due to its tough finish, and you can find these at Vasavi Infra Solutions. If you are on a budget, consider Distemper. This economical water-based paint is great for ceilings and walls but is less durable. You can find Distemper for about 100 rupee to 300 rupee per litre at Vasavi Infra Solutions. Acrylic paints are versatile and fast-drying, suitable for both indoors and outdoors. Acrylic emulsions typically cost between 200 rupee to 800 rupee per litre, depending on brand and type. Textured paints add character to your walls. They come in styles like sand or stone finishes. These can be pricier, ranging from 600 rupee to 2500 rupee per litre, depending on the finish. Specialized paints, like antifungal and heat-resistant options, are essential for kitchens and bathrooms. Expect to pay 400 rupee to 1100 rupee per litre for these formulations, available at Vasavi Infra Solutions. Spray paints are perfect for small projects and intricate details. These typically range from 300 rupee to 800 rupee per can, and you can find them at Vasavi Infra Solutions. Waterproof paints protect surfaces exposed to moisture, preventing dampness and mold. You'll find these between 500 rupee to 1500 rupee per litre, depending on brand and composition. Chalk paints are popular for DIY projects and furniture upcycling. These are typically priced at 300 rupee to 1000 rupee per litre, depending on finish and quality. For wood surfaces, varnishes and wood stains are essential. Varnishes protect while enhancing the wood's natural beauty. Expect to pay 400 rupee to 1000 rupee per litre for these finishes, available at Vasavi Infra Solutions. When selecting paint, consider the surface you're working on, the desired finish, and how much wear and tear it will experience. Always test a small area first and check for durability and washability, especially in high-traffic areas. You can purchase these paints at local hardware stores or online platforms. Compare prices and read reviews to find the best deals. Choosing the right paint can transform your home beautifully. With options tailored for every need and budget, you are now ready to tackle your next project with confidence. Subscribe for more home improvement tips from Vasavi Infra Solutions.